Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to look at a project called Troy, and we'll explore the entire project and see how the project looks. So before we begin, I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us start today's video. So Troy is a multi-trading platform. What I mean by multi-trading is they are offering centralized exchange as well as decentralized exchange and many other features. And if we look at their mission statement, then they say that they want to redefine trading beyond exchange, moving to a smart hybrid asset management platform. So not just trading, but they want to give an entire asset management opportunity to their customers. And this looks an interesting project to me. And we will explore the entire project, and I guess you will realize why it looks interesting to me. So first of all, if we see their Twitter handle, then they have around 54.7k, so almost 55k followers, which is not bad. It's a decent following. And the single most thing that made me take a look at this project is because it is one of the Binance Launchpad projects. So any project that Binance backs, I think they earn goodwill, at least in my opinion, and hence I get interested, because if Binance is backing any project, then I'm sure that the chances of project becoming successful are very, very high. So this is a Troy platform, and soon they are coming with Troy 2.0, which is an upgrade that aims to propel the project to become a smart hybrid asset management. So they want to introduce a lot of other factors along with trading. I have also signed up just recently and I've just logged in, made my account. I still have not traded anything on this platform. So the first thing that they do is they are liquid aggregator. It will aggregate liquidity from major DEX, centralized exchange, liquidity pools, and other necessary sources into one global pool. So this is one interesting feature where they will aggregate all the liquidity. So liquidity on the centralized exchanges as well as decentralized exchanges, as well as liquidity pools and all the other sources that they have under their asset management. So a lot, whenever we have high liquidity in any exchange or in a decentralized exchange where the liquidity is really good, the chances for slippage are very less. So this is a big plus point. They are also going to focus on data analytics, and which empowers the decision making with sophisticated framework of data matrix, including blockchain data and market data. This is also something I found very interesting, and we'll look ahead in the project and what they mean by data analytics. Also, there is flexible earning. So this is something like staking and yield farming, I guess. Well, with it, users can claim a return on tokens while maintaining the right to move them in and out of any time. And quant strategies, it will launch a series of quantitative trading strategies, including trend tracking strategies and arbitrage strategies for global investors. So a lot of interesting things which they are planning to do in this Troy 2.0. And if you look at their partnerships and the investors, then you can see a lot of big names from crypto are backing Troy. So whether it is Block VC, Binance Launchpad, Signum Capital, all the major players are there backing this project, and hence this project is looking very interesting. So now let us look at the products. The first thing that they offer is centralized exchange. Now there are a lot of centralized exchange, and this becomes one more. But what looks very interesting to me is, in one exchange you can trade multiple exchanges. That is, they have an option of trading on Binance, UB, OKX, BitMEX. Look at these options. These many options are there. So there is Binance UB, there is OKX futures, there is OKX swap, there is Bitmax swap. So these are the options. So at least these many exchanges, all the assets on these many exchanges, you can trade within one platform. So what you have to do is you have to club your API of your exchange into this, and that's how you can trade. And if you give your API trade only option, then I think that would be secured and you wouldn't have to worry, because you cannot withdraw funds if you have given the permission to your API only to trade. So this is a cool feature where we all know that there are certain assets which are not on Binance, but they might be on UB or they might be on OKX, and you might want to trade, or they might be on Bitmex. So through one exchange, through one platform, you can trade multiple assets. So this, I think, can be a big feature, and we'll see how well and how easy it is to trade. So you also can have a look at that. Then there is DEX, that is decentralized exchange, and this DEX looks to me that they are okay. Great. So it's as simple as Uniswap or Pancake Swap, where you can connect your MetaMask wallet or your Wallet Connect and Trust Wallet, and you can straight away swap using the decentralized exchange facilities. They also have staking option, which is coming soon. It's not yet updated. So I guess this is part of Troy 2.0. So again, this looks very interesting, as in one platform we can uh, use decentralized exchange also, and we can use the staking opportunities also. This is again what I found very interesting, data analytics that initially we read about. So what they have done is they have made an entire interface where we can see data of every asset, which of course, whatever they are providing on their exchange. So here we can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. This is Bitcoin Cash, and this is EOS. So these are five, but I still think this is not yet active. And but what they are trying to do is they will give as much data as possible. Here we can see the map of different exchanges. Here we can see block height of the current Bitcoin blockchain, the circulating supply, the market cap. Similarly, Ethereum, you can see the current block height, circulating supply, market cap. So what they want to do is, before you take any trades, they want to give as much data as possible, which might help you in taking trades. So it's not just about the block heights and circulating supply. It is also about the recent contracts available on different exchanges. So they also have something called a spot, where you can track the market volume. You can track the block trade volume, the block trade count, the daily return distribution, and the trade record of assets on different exchange. Currently, they are only showing BTC and ETH. Then you can also look at the contracts of different exchanges. What are the different contracts going on? Like, are contracts favoring the longs or the shorts? Similarly, what are the different funding rates? So a lot of information that, depending on your trading style, it can be helpful to you. And since it is available of multiple exchanges, so this is a big bonus in my opinion. So Binance, there is OKX, there is UOB, and there is Bitmax. And they also provide the blockchain data, as in how many are the active addresses, average transaction value, transaction volume. See, of they are currently giving of three blockchains, that is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT, that is Tether. So a very important point, as a lot of data, it depends. like whether you are a trader or an investor, data always helps. So if we can get many data and if that can help us in trading, then I think this is a very good point. So again, a great feature to have on your exchange. And the last thing, which again is coming soon feature, that is investment. So as they want to become a smart hybrid asset management platform, so this is an automatic investment account. So I think kind of in like an SIP, that is systematic investment, wherein you can invest a certain amount every month or every week depending on your style. I guess this would be that. It's still not clear. And they also have something called as asset service, wherein trend tracking strategy and arbitrage strategy. So they are going to provide different strategies for investing. It's also great trading, something called as great trading and future trades. So this is still in development, but what overall I get a feeling from Troy is that it is a very interesting project. And if they can deliver everything in a seamless manner and in a very user friendly manner, then I think this platform can get a lot of love from masses. Because if we can get a platform where we can trade all the assets from Binance, from UB, from OKX, from Bitmax, and if in future they can collaborate with other exchanges, then I think this would be a very this would be a trader's paradise in my opinion. And all this data analytics, the liquidity aggregation. So if you love to trade on the decentralized exchanges, then you can use their DEX. If you like centralized exchanges, you can use the centralized exchange. So this looks very interesting. And as I said, one, it is a Binance Launchpad platform. If we look at the Troy market cap right now, it is 106 million market cap. So it's not, it's still a small cap or just above mid cap in my opinion. And we all know that if a trading platform can get big, then it is easily at least a billion or a $2 billion worth of market cap, which is not unreasonable. So yes, this can go 10x. Again, guys, I personally am not yet invested. I am looking at this project. And the reason of me sharing this with you is you also can look in the project. So there is no other motive. I am not invested. So I am not sharing this or shilling this to you after I have bought Troy. No, it's not the case. So I am also going to keep a track. I will see how uh, seamless or user friendly the platform overall is. And if I feel satisfied, then I would definitely go for it. But currently, I'm not interested, but I'm keeping a track on this project. And as I said, because it is Binance backed project, I am interested in this project. So I'll keep a look at this project, and hence I thought of sharing it with you guys. See if this suits in your investment agenda. I am just sharing this as this might help you. So I hope you guys like this video. If you want me to create more such videos on different projects that I am looking at, or if you want me to overview different projects in crypto, please comment below. And guys, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you soon for the next video. Take care. Bye bye.